OKFM 101.7.
Lawyer Edudzie Tamakloe, a legal practitioner. Diba, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Mira me moaje.
Bakwame. And if you are damaged, I'll share with you.
Etevo nyina aju. If you are the eboja ye eboja na
we come in trouble. So if you are dance oboto munya system no and power cry.
we can know as we can know one one.
When what's that? To say January, you start chapter go bro.
Bibie enko. Na mami radie. Special prosecutor. O issue he say arrest warrant be say we declare Ura Charles Cromwell unia won top bisu wanted. Say obabi obi abehun bia won chene mra onu so hu no mbeso be che no. Na oyewie no enra onu so court to quash that arrest or the by out no. Na me hu special prosecutor onu so ni tweet bi say wono no ohia warrant no de ache. Enti amanfo aye say eni obedify court orders no akwache no. Isan say ni tumi mu no ohia say gi warrant na bibia sa etisa. Ene so mesa hu bibi e wo daily graphic mu say court holds OSP's arrest of Charles Bisu. Enkomoi etisen pa emrem.
Yo, Bakwame. I say the arresting powers of law enforcement agencies. But what has it? No crane say Omamuhano. Your friend of the Criminal Procedure Act. Those is near friend of the Criminal Procedure Code. The Criminal Procedure Act. Act 30. Then announced the Special Prosecutors Act. Special Prosecutor. Or to me say obey me arrest say obibia. Now start to me to arrest emra edam into Oshaya. It's on the basis of law. And no special prosecutor no call court for an arrest warrant. Yes, sir. Now so work court for arrest warrant. Now on the basis of the arrest warrant or say they are pending judicial processes. And while those processes are pending, what could they an arrest warrant against or not? And what court say they have become aware they were issued even a wanted list, or the natural wanted list among other things. In the court, a man the offering an interim injunction just for 10 days. Sir, order na Charles Bisu Anyano. The maximum lifespan is 10 days. Upon 10 days, you cannot repeat it on notice. Now, having become aware of that, I strongly believe, sir, the special prosecutor must abide by the 10 days rule, allow the 10 days to elapse before so be what I find it a bit uncomfortable. Say special prosecutor Becca say, but you police forward power to arrest without a warrant. The law is clear. Where the police intend to arrest without a warrant, the law says, say, they should have seen the suspect in the act. He's in the
me ba jo say wo
the offense.
Wo chi obi without a warrant. As I said, she should be in the act.
Process. It is usually in law school or when you do this Latin phrase, in fact, to the little. But what I say? I say when who need no kagani.
Why don't
you? Say oh yeah, dear no. And the policy of the law, I mean, say when who need oh yeah no. If you have to go to court to secure a warrant, maybe you have a ban with what I say. So in those circumstances, no, who will to me say action, but already no. by the very conduct of the special prosecutor, he has already demonstrated that the person is not in the act. It is not an infragrant of the legal act. In the sense that you, the special prosecutor, has already gone to court for a warrant. And hello, Black you have already gone to court for a warrant. So you can't do a 360 degrees and say, oh, even this one, I don't need a warrant.
What court akwaje warrant?
Oh, what court akwaje warrant?
And also the bechino.
And also the babecheme. And my court, the court engineer, we and of course, okay, you know, you are doing. It's a major we know for 10 days. Made a table at the chosen for 10 days.
Now what's up about that?
Now what's up about this? This even one of the offenses, I don't require a warrant, and that the police have the power to arrest without a warrant.
Wow, look, wow.
Because already for your own conduct, you have gone to court for a warrant. So how then do you justify your 360 degrees?
What do you say? Now come back to me actually without a warrant.
So why then did you go to court for the warrant? If you knew, say you had the powers, right, to arrest without the warrant, then your reasoning for going to court for the warrant is not genuine. And
not genuine.
Because for your own conduct defeats this subsequent justification you want to provide. I'll plead with the SP. Say on China 10 days more and yet and so then he can take up any decision. Like I've always said, SP now or not criminal law.
Okay.
France with the law
was starting in the law no so.
Yes, I think this year no 20 years at the bar.
Like so what if the age more sabre nature say why you buy around now why you young
20s. He was barely in his 20s.
Oh wow.
He was barely in his 20s. I think this year very exactly 20 years. Yeah, 2003, yes. I recall it. October this year would have been 20 years of a lawyer.
Nature say unimode.
A lawyer for me brain so at the Ghana. So I want to believe at this point I say some restraint and respect the orders of the court and see.
Say go contrary to the other.
So you say you will be a friend of contempt.
Now special prosecutor better contempt.
Yes. You see, Ghana, you are back on same bro. It's a new maybe and then it's a reflection of your history. And can't them run and chroma I was so no. When almost meet obi better say a bone crowful be din ladan. And think it can home. Brima. No we quote unquote UP politicians or the idea. You know yet meeting the panel. Na yakasi a deportation order. Odi panabeko court fighting the deportation. Odi azie. Ubon say a court case no cause ubon say na crobody say Minister of Interior no are whisking the panel out. Odi azie. Ubon say na citing for contempt as Minister of Interior. So it's an order of the court.
Okay,
you have become aware of it. So you must just respect it. In any case, it's just for 10 days.
Can I say in 1969? What can I say? Sa deportation in Baya.
Americana a popular, especially those are not the system. Those they didn't agree with them. It's only opposition element. Yeah, the deportation proceedings are one will say minister yes so deport one. No nipa no more challenge the deportation order. Okay. Once the matter is pending in court, you won't say they will whisk the person outside the country. So the panel the contempt proceedings and those days what they used to do, they said they will quickly go to parliament and pass a legislation. We will say Ladan Deportation Act. We will say near pass Deportation Act so as to overreach their courts no ebeden ebeye.
Now
you'll be cited for contempt and risk going to prison.
Okay. When man was saying, Mr. Enkraha, Adabraka Echo to do.
Most of the houses there, the people have to, lose. And I say, Aliens Compliance Act. The Aliens Compliance Act, into share Malamata Market, at the Kohunina, Sukura, Kaole. Most of the original owners, they are now in Nigeria and some other West African countries. Because of the Aliens Compliance Act now, Buzia Bre or Modea then Epae. It will be based on that act, you be deported to go back to your country. Because then the then government of the day, Buzia Bre, didn't agree with the politics of some of them.
Mama Kai Bakuna in 1969. Now front runners of the Aba Omoto na ye Komla Agbeli Bedema ene eye Buzia na ye sorry anopa na ya bobɔ ni nyina wie na ye tigu abonten na sabre womo support Progress Party eye PP eye pro say hwio na womo huru Komla Agbeli Bedema.
Ghana one interesting history.
Hey, now here, say Buzi Adaka, Ayema, Bedema Adaka, Emu
Me say, not Oti, we are na Dakumana official town. Those days, Professor Buzia.
Yes, I.
Or to that enclave. So I will plead with the SP under the circumstance on any previous conduct of securing the warrant from the court, basically will not provide a justification for him to say he has the powers to arrest without the warrant.
What is the interest? Say because say watching we are, you'll be put before court of competent jurisdiction. You are not going to pronounce judgment.
And you say, like I always maintain, media, I've always on this your platform. My culture say me the issues about office of special prosecutor and others, because of your peculiar history of trying this office, me, I've always maintained I still want my police, blah 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 blah. What am I saying? And the simple reason, and then they say, your history is quite interesting. Wouldn't we say the office of special prosecutor? Oh, in the 80s, there will be.
Okay.
So the then special prosecutor, the near friend no appear. The deputies were Bright Equity.
Oh, Bright Equity. CBB.
Soldier Assassin Jima.
Oh, can Assassin Jima?
No, a deputy special prosecutor before.
Now, maybe.
When we say eventually, we'll end up prosecuting the special prosecutor.
How?
Oh, yeah, Wajiska Efi, Kous Motors.
Kous.
Kous. Wajiska was more through the London, Ghana International Bank, London branch account.
And a special prosecutor, no, Kokota. One Equia Katasha. Am I a prosecutor? Special prosecutor. And he say, I am from Fiena.
It is Bright Equity. He was one of the deputies there.
Did I just say, one no, I can't say, dear, your prosecutor, not the same. Apia, no. What is the cow? Kous Motors. A special prosecutor
was under investigation. Yeah.
Those times in the 80s.
In the 80s, it is Ojiskano through the Ghana Commercial Bank. In fact, anybody aware criminal law and criminal procedure is one of the authorities on the issue whether or not the jurisdiction of the courts extends beyond the boundaries of Ghana. Because assembly by and no reason jurisdictional issues court of Ghana new crime so may try not. A day here, you can't want you Ghana.
Why get bribe?
Can you get to the commercial bank account? It's in London. Ghana.
Law. Yes, I saw be an amicona. Yakon ne obi a yakɔ nhyiamu a ɛwɔ mpaebɔ mu no ɔbaa bi ne bɛrima bi akɔsɛ baabi akɔda ɛna asɔmpanimfoɔ kɔkye no ne yɛde ne ba mpanimfoɔ anim ɛde ebusa ansɛ odi fa na odi bem no ɔse adeɛ no deɛ ɔma bɛkye ne sɛ wayɛ ba ne ho ansane no
when we say there's a famous authority in criminal law on rape, sexual offenses. R.M. Now, Sakwawi, I'm not yet chain for rape. No, the difference is no one side.
I was the difference. No,
court no can say sexual intercourse. What I say? It's about the least degree of penetration. It's not whether or not you ejaculated or not.
Or not.
That's not the test. The test is penetration.
Sure.
It's not ejaculation. And they say over back or so you say you charge you for sexual offense. Now over casting, there has not been any way out, and they all have. And yet defense cry.
Abai, mami, additional kakra. Special prosecutor, Martinami du Koi, and a Kisia Jabin Ba. Kisi ba ye, or Kobe 2 years, and now when you're 2 years.
Sure.
Issues are a dananim or mining who say, a cononym and not a ba. It is special prosecutor. One need posifua on the prosecutor. Any Chief Justice, what Attorney General, what on the special ben, eh?
So far, or the incrophobic at the court.
But set to secure conviction, no, maybe say.
Yes, but one was assembly there were courts. Or the Nippon courts are unsigned to mean blaming of what I say. Now, call court accept. At this point, maybe the American say 2 years is too short for any serious assessment. But what I say, it's just 2 years. Let's give him the benefit of the doubt. Na yenhwe de ebefi maba. Me bajo, papa. Eti na adwuma ne se wo hu corrupt bia na obobo no. Ono no de no one will say act near specific. Corruption and corruption related offenses.
Abajo oyun ni nyina awie a no de kwada court na court na be di asem.
Yes, for instance, say there's this lawyer Martin Kwebu, or the petition complaint at the court say Northern Development Authority, some Sikabi or my no Basabasa, assembly by investigation, by your home investigation. Eventually, investigation or I establish say no Adiana Abano and Yene Kwamwa. Mendoka Kasa Sia. Omo Tamale High Court yedi omasem. But what I say, Omo Tamale High Court yedi omasem. So the matter is ongoing. They will be given the opportunity to put up their defense. That is what is required by law.
I think just where okay, Matthias here.
So
I think who's a Ghana for?
When we say sometimes criminal investigation can take like a year, 6 months.
No, we are
specialized. Even a brochure, or police, or FBI, or judge. So all of these things are supposed to help in fighting crime.
Oh, okay. And yeah, Lord, medals pa namaste paso at the amount. Why?
That's it. Enjoy your weekend, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye. Lawyer Godwin Edudzie Tamakloe. And I aid to former President Mahama na ene na atwe nkomo K101.7 suni
okayfm 101.7